Hello everyone, this is Foodman Ali from Tediger Mobile Tech. Today I've got this Samsung Galaxy S23. So you can see back is badly smashed. Plus you can see the screen also badly smashed. So I have to change the whole screen front panel and plus back glass. So let's start the video. So this phone is ready. So this is second time you smashed this phone, isn't it?
Yeah, second time.
And you happy with the service?
Yeah, very happy. I always come here if I have a problem.
Can you just try put the password and see everything is working fine? No, I'm not gonna record the password.
Yeah, all good.
So first time I put the genuine screen and the second time again I put the genuine screen, like as you can see the whole panel and the back glass. So you happy with my service? Yeah,
very happy.
Thank you so much for you coming. Yep.